Okay guys, PBA tayo. So after na hindi nagtagumpay yung deal with Star Horse Shipping Lines, ay tatlong kumpanya ang gustong bilhin itong Terra Firma franchise dyan sa PBA. So basahin natin yung balita ng Tiebreaker Times. So shout out dito sa Tiebreaker Times, isang legit na sports news page. So Tiebreaker Times. So basahin natin, three suitors ay Terra Firma franchise after Star Horse deal collapse. So three ang interest na bilhin itong franchise ng Terra Firma. So sino kaya itong three company na ito, no? Three interested buyers are now talks with the Philippine Basketball Association now that Star Horse Shipping Lines Incorporated is out of the picture. So sayang, no? Star Horse Shipping Lines na isa sana sa mga gusto bilhin itong Terra Firma Jeep. So uh, ito pa. Two of them have not only sent letters of intent but have also paid the league's office in Libis, Quezon City a visit to talk no less than Commissioner Willie Marshall, stating how serious they are in their attempt to join a league chieftain. Sino kaya itong mga ano na ito, no? The league chieftain politely declined to divulge their identities. Thought he admitted that one of them has been knocking on the door uh, for some time now. So hindi kaya kasali dito yung SGA, yung Strong Group Athletics, kasi ano din sila, gusto rin nila, may interest din sila na pumasok diyan sa PBA, no? Maging part ng koponan diyan sa PBA itong SGA. Kasi sa ngayon ay sinusuportahan nila itong Converge kung sakaling sasaling SJ dito. So meron ng isang pang sister team itong sa PBA, itong SGA at Converge. So ito. Pero yung Converge hindi nila may-ari 'yon. Ang may-ari doon iba, no? So ayan. So yung isa roon, sabi ni sino may sabi dito? Ah, yung isa roon, matagal nang nagpaparamdam sa atin. He told Tiebreaker Times Thursday night. Dalawa na rin sa tatlo ang dumalaw sa atin. Hindi kaya si Kume ito nagsabi. The league finds itself in a somewhat familiar situation after the sale of the Terra Firma franchise to Star Horse fell top as the marine transportation company that could not comply with requirements set by the PBA. Some requirements there also ito, wala wala guys. Some requirements were also unmet in the separate negotiations between Star Horse and Terra Firma, whose group is led by Team Governor Bobby Rosales. So, nung unang video natin, nung nakarang video natin, sinabi ko na itong Terra Firma ay ibibenta na ito, no? Ibibenta na ito kasi una dyan ay may problema na itong Terra Firma at halos hindi na nakakapasok sa playoffs itong Terra Firma. Halos palagi silang natatalo dyan sa PBA. At itong team na ito, binabash lagi ito ng mga fans dahil yung mga star player nila, yung mga first round draft picks nila ay i-trade nila papuntang sa malalaking teams kagaya ng Ginebra at San Miguel na part ng SMC. So, hindi nakapag-comply si Star Horse. Ay sabi ni Kome, hindi nakakapag-comply si Star Horse doon sa ibang mga requirements natin, lalo roon sa financial side ng deal. So, but familiar say that because PBA also found itself talking to three entities in 2022 when Alaska Milk Corporation pulled out of the league. So, Marshall back then also kept their identities hidden until the franchise was eventually bought by Converge of Dennis Anthony Uy. So si Dennis Anthony Uy ang owner ng Converge. So yung SGA guys sinusuportahan ng Converge. So kung sakaling papasok yung Converge sa PBA, so meron pang another sister team, no? Diyan sa liga. Tapos, the Fiber Xers became latest joined the PBA after NLEX Blackwater and Kia, which eventually became Terra Firma in 2014. So, abangan natin guys. Pero sa totoo lang, itong Terra Firma ay bibilhin na ito. Baka next season wala na sila. Tapos merong new team, hindi man Star Horse kundi isang another company na interested na bilhin itong Jeep. So yan yung abangan natin. Itong Star Horse naman, siguro hindi pa tapos yung laban nila dyan para makapasok sa PBA. Siguro mag-focus muna kayo dyan sa MPBL at magpalakas kayo dyan. Mag-invest ng malaki. Siguro for the malay natin na itong Star Force baka next year, no, 2026, 27 ay makapasok na rin sila dyan sa PBA. So kailangan focus muna sa MPBL at magpalakas kayo. Pwede kailangan kasi kailangan talaga sa PBA yung kung papasok ka talaga sa PBA guys ay kailangan ready ka talaga, no? At yung franchise mo ready na, no? Talagang ready na makapasok sa PBA. So yan guys, at shout out sa lahat ng nanonood diyan at nagsusubscribe diyan sa JLA Sports Basketball.